ASL fingerspelling secrets I wish I'd been taught. The science behind sounding out fingerspelling. Researchers have found that the human brain can remember 7 pieces of information at a time, but we can only hold that information for about 20 seconds. This means if you are naming off all of the letters you see someone fingerspell, and it takes more than 20 seconds for them to slowly finish fingerspelling the word to you so you can get it, you're going to forget what you did understand and you're going to be left with a bunch of letters. If you missed any letters, you're going to be more focused on what you missed and not be able to put what you do have together to make a logical guess about the word. This is why you have to sound out the word. It's also really important to start this practice early because once you start naming each letter, it's a really hard habit to break, but it can be done. Once I switched to sounding it out, I could finally understand fingerspelling, but no one said up front that you just have to sound it out, which is why I'm sharing this secret with you. I'm divulging all the secrets to fingerspelling in American Sign Language, so subscribe to Sign with Courtney.